Hey, go for the gusto. It's TecheMan here. I want to thank Blue 345 for being my mentor and helping me along the way, being a director. Also want to thank Mike for appointing me a director. I want to thank all the other directors, Davis Wade, Spokane Club, Tiger Woods, and all the fellas that help out that aren't directors, like Soaks and Grim and John Apollo, Ken, Perry, all of you guys. I really appreciate everything you do for Gusto. Love the links. This is for you. TecheMan said he could solve it, so I'm going to solve it. I may not be able to do it in under 2 minutes like when I was younger, but I will solve it because I can. Here we go. Here goes. Okay, it's almost there, guys. There you go, love the links. I appreciate you guys playing in my tournaments. Thanks for everything, guys. TecheMan signing off.